Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is RainyTech and I have been working as a mobile developer around 8 years. Today I want to share my real journey from the time that I started learning on mobile development until today. I will talk about the challenges I faced, the technology I learned, the mistake I made, and some advices for the people or for anyone who want to become a mobile developer. 8 years ago, I became interested in mobile application. At that time, I did not fully understand software architecture, clean code, security, and how large application was developed. I started by learning the basic programming syntax, user interface, navigation between screens, display data, and saving data in locally. My first application was not perfect. The code was difficult to maintain and I made many mistakes. But creating a working application gave me motivation to continue learning. The most important thing at the beginning was not a perfect building application. It was a building something make the mistake and learn from those mistakes. One of my biggest challenges was debugging. Sometimes I spent many hours to fix a small problem. The application could be crashed because incorrect value, missing condition, and unexpected the result from the server. At the beginning, every error felt stressful, but after gaining more experience, I learned that errors are a normal part of software development. A good developer is not someone who never creates a bug. A good developer is someone who investigate, understand, and know how to fix them. As my project became larger, I realized that putting all my code in the one place was not a good solution. I started learning software architecture patterns such as MVC and MVVM. Architecture helped me to separate responsibility. For example, the user interface display information, the business logic handle application rules, the network layer communication with API. Later, I learned more about the clean architecture, modularization, dependency injection, and the usable component. My advice is not to use complicated architecture for every small project. Start simple, understand the problem, and improve the architecture when the project becomes larger. Real company projects are very different from the tutorial project. In the tutorial projects, everything is usually working perfectly. In real project, the requirement can change, the deadlines can be short, the API may be not ready, and the different teams we need to work together. As mobile developer, I need to communication with UI UX designer, back-end developer, quality insurance, project manager, business team, and security team. The mobile developer is not only writing code. The mobile developer is need to communication, teamwork, documentation, understanding the business requirement is very important. As I gain more experience, I started working seriously with the security application. For financial and business application, security is extremely important. Some important things include security string token, keychain instead of local storage, certificate pinning if needed. 8 years ago, I started with the basic knowledge and many questions, but today I still keep learning. This one of the best thing about being a software developer. Thank you for watching today.